Now this update is very, very important. Just pay attention. Some of you have been complaining you log onto your profile and you are not able to see your courses, your institution. If you log into your JAMB portal, your own, with your email address and everything, and you notice that your institution and course section are blank, don't worry, don't panic, don't start shouting, right? Don't panic. It is the same for everyone. Those of you that registered JAMB for the first time are experiencing that issue, right? The portal is not fully activated yet. You know how JAMB issues happen. The portal has not been fully activated, so just stay calm and wait for further updates. Just stay calm. I will be the one to tell you. I will give you updates. I'll update you immediately once it is fully active. But if you are among those having that issue, also come under the comment and let me know. So just stay calm and wait for further updates. All your full details will appear when everyone result is uploaded by JAMB. Your full result will appear. Your change, your courses, your institution will appear once JAMB uploads all the results. But right now they are still working on it, right? So if you're having any issue concerning rewriting your JAMB, you want to rewrite, just tell me your location. You have not seen your result, let me know. Any issue you're having, talk to me immediately. Go ahead right now and like this video. Click on like this video, share this video, and if you have not joined our YouTube channel, click on join. When you share this video, then come and subscribe. Once you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. There is an important video on the screen. Click on it and watch now.